Alright, Data Zero here, coming with you with another crypto update. Let's go ahead and get in the video and get into the technical analysis, the news, the data. Let's go. Alright, so we have our crypto analysis video update for you guys. I will be doing my AMC and GME video later, so you guys can check that out. I'll probably be doing that around Sunday when we get some pre-market action. But let's go ahead and check out the crypto market, see what's going on in crypto. I'm going to show you some TA, some technical analysis, some news, data, and of course all of that stuff that we always do on this channel. So let's go ahead and get in the video and give you guys everything that you came here for. Let's go. Alright, we're here at the charts, and as you guys can see, we're going to start with the daily chart on Bitcoin. So basically, we've been following this downward channel. Okay, so we've been following this downward channel, and this is not the type of breakout that I would expect to see from a downward channel so large. I'd expect to see something at least the size of half the channel, so around 58,000 to all-time highs. But what we have been seeing is after this huge dump and this huge correction, from leverage, we have been following this on the smaller time frame. So let's work our way down. And I know this looks confusing, but I'll explain it all in a second. But we've been following this downward wedge. So this downward wedge or descending triangle, whatever you want to call it. And this has broken out. So if you look on the smaller time frames, even these are kind of like bull flags. So this was a bull flag type figure, and this is a bull flag type figure. You can see this descending resistance, and you can see it even starting to break out right now and form above these two white lines, which I'll explain here in a second. Also, as you can see on the smaller time frames, on the hourly time frames, so this formation, which is a bullish formation, broke out. And this downward wedge is also a bullish formation, which also means a break to the upside. So what we're doing is looking at bigger time frames to smaller time frames. So just ignore this daily bigger channel until we see a bigger breakout. But basically what we're looking at is this descending triangle right here and this breakout that obviously clearly happened, and we're going to follow it and see if it takes us up to the mark, which I think it will take us to, which is 54,000. So I do think 54,000 is going to be the next price target for Bitcoin, and that is my next price target for Bitcoin, and I am announcing that on this video. My price targets have been very good. Every time I have announced one, it's been accurate. You can check my previous videos, but 54,000 within I would say the next 3 to 5 days. So it's going to happen this week, 54,000. Whether we stay up there is the question or not, and we'll go a little bit further on. But basically, I've created these two white lines, which if we check on the bigger time scales are major resistance and support levels. What we want to do is to get above these white lines. Now, what I think is going to happen is if we get above these white lines, which looks like what we're going to happen is get above this first white line, is we're going to travel in this channel here. Now, what we're going to do is get above this channel. This is very, very important levels of support and resistance. In order to get past all-time highs, we got to get past this channel. Now, if we do not get past this channel, I do think that we will break down to this level of 42,000. That is worst case bear scenario. Absolute worst case scenario, bear scenarios down here. I know people say 14K, stuff like that, but that's definitely never going to happen, okay? Well, I can't say anything's never going to happen, but that's not going to happen. The lowest that we're going to get is 42,000. If we have to retest anything, we'll probably retest 45,000 and then head back up. But I think what we're going to do is start traveling within these channels, and then with travel above this, and then move on to all-time highs. I do think within January and February we'll be seeing crypto at all-time highs, and we'll be seeing a massive rally. I think a massive rally is on the way, and we're just going to keep checking on these smaller time frames here, like the 30-minute and the 15-minute, and just, keep going at checking as it goes. But as you can see, we have this descending resistance, which is kind of forming this bullish formation, this bullish pennant formation, which I said about these two bullish flags that broke out here and here. And we're following this trend up. We basically bounced off of that trend line, and we're following this trend up. So until this trend breaks down, until this price breaks below this trend line is valid, and we are on our way to our price point, which is 54,000. Now the trend obviously could break down and still reach that price point within the week time frame that I gave. And I know that's a big time frame, and I normally give daily price updates, but the market is very, very volatile right now, and there's no saying if we're going to have to go back down to this $45,000 level, or if we're going to stay above this key pivotal white line that I have, and you can see that we're fighting for right now. But with everything going on and all the formations and stuff that I'm seeing on the chart, and all the bullish things that I've seen on the chart, the lower RSI on the daily, bullish MACD on the daily, we're above the 100-day or the 200-day moving averages again. We're getting above some of the other moving averages. There's just a lot of bullish metrics on chain and all of that stuff saying that we're headed in the upward direction. I do think we will see a large rally. If you look at Ethereum, you can see Ethereum is slightly down. We are kind of in this bullish pennant right now, testing the top of this bullish pennant on this downward descending level of resistance. But as you can see, basically still on an uptrend. Polygon Matic. Polygon Matic is one of the coins that have reached all-time highs, one of my highest holdings. Very, very happy that I got it. Made me a lot of money. Definitely very good coin to have. Definitely one I was just picking up. If you can pick it up for anything under than $2.50, or anything under $1.80, definitely do so. But I don't know if we'll see those levels again unless we see a major correction. As you can see, it reached all-time highs today. And you know, Bitcoin isn't at all-time highs, but we still have coins reaching all-time highs. Another coin that I think is going to break out is Cardano. We have it forming a bullish formation. We have it forming maybe what could be a cup and handle, or a bull flag at the bare minimum, or a bull flag. I'm sorry, a bull flag at the bare minimum here. On the smaller time frames, on the hourly and the 30-minute time frame, we have a bit of a bull flag showing, but it's able to hold the support line here very, very well, not going below it at all, and traveling up, and we are on a steady uptrend. And I do think that we will see a breakout on Cardano. Another one that's been doing well for the past couple of days is Shiba Inu, again on a uptrend. And I did have a meme coin request from Twitter. I will be doing that video separately. I'll be focusing on just meme coins. And if you guys have any type of requests for videos, go ahead and just put them in the comments or holler at me on Twitter, whatever the case may be, and then I'll be sure to do those videos. But I did have a meme coin request, so I'll be focusing on Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and then some meme coins that I found. Let's go ahead and look at the fear and greed index. As you can see, fear is a little bit less high or low, however you look at it. But basically, when I was telling you guys to load up, when the fear was low and we were in the pits at 45,000 on BTC, if you guys loaded up and bought more, when I was telling you guys, your guys are obviously up. If you guys held, great. If you guys panic sold, I'm sorry, but you're out of the game and you probably sold at a loss. Not good. Hopefully you didn't do that. If you're a new investor and you bought the top, you got FOMO'd in. Hopefully you didn't sell at a loss. Hopefully you guys took my non-financial advice and bought at the bottom and bought when I was telling you to, and you were able to make profits. So let's go ahead and move on. So if you guys check the crypto bubbles, as you can see, it was kind of a mixed bag day. If we look, we have green and red in the market, and basically that is the overall story for the overall market today. Now again, coins are doing better than others, but we have ups and downs throughout the market. But like I said, it was a mixed bag, and basically that is it as far as it goes for the overall crypto markets. If we look at this is just the cryptocurrencies risk in the top 10 to 100. I always suggest investing in the top 100 coins to be safe. And if you want to get a little bit more risky, then you could venture into lower than that. But to even be more safe, venture into the top 50 coins. If we just look at coins by category, so this groups the coins together, you can see the highest performing and best performing categories, but you can see overall green in the markets for the coins by categories in basically every single category. And then this is CoinGecko.com, so if you want that information for yourself, you get that from there. Now this is the social metrics. This is basically how much something is mentioned on social media, which correlates with price. Okay, so this is all the coins in order. We have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, PancakeSwap, Tezos, Cardano, and then some of the more obscure coins on the lower end here. We have Polygon Matic at number 16, but normally a large spike in talking about increasing of social metrics, especially on these meme coins, means a price bump or a price explosion might be on the way. And you could definitely use social metrics to measure how popular a coin is or how much is being searched if people are looking for it. Obviously, they're looking to buy into it or they're looking for it for some reason, and that's always good for the market and good for the price for that coin. But basically, that's the video. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Hopefully, you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. I'm going to go ahead and just scroll through this Reddit stream as I wrap up the video, as it has context for everything that I cover on the markets and all of that stuff. But as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out. So as you can see, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Of course, subscribe for more content. And as you can see, I gave you a bullish and a bearish scenario. Basically, what's going on with Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin goes down, that means the altcoin market will go down. Not necessarily all altcoins. As you guys seen, there's altcoins reaching new all-time highs as we speak. But it just means that the overall market will be on a downtrend, and we might see that bounce later on. But basically, I gave you a worst case scenario, and basically the scenario I think is going to play out, which normally is the correct scenario. I don't want to toot my own horn, but you guys can check out my videos and see my accuracy, which is spot on. So hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, keep hacking, make money. Peace out.